What is energy? Where does it come from? And how do we use it? So, what is energy? Energy is what makes things happen. It is the ability to do work or cause change. We need energy for everything we do. Think of energy as a superpower that can make things move, light up, get warm, and so much more. We use energy to move, play, run, jump, and do all sorts of activities throughout the day. So where does energy come from? We first need to know that there are many different forms of energy, such as heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. So, because of this, energy comes from many different places. Here are a few sources. 1. The sun. The sun is a giant ball of burning gas that gives energy to the earth in the form of light and heat. These are two forms of energy. Here are examples of how these two forms of energy are used. Plants use sunlight to grow, and we can use solar panels to turn sunlight into electricity. 2. Food. When we eat food, our bodies turn it into energy. This energy helps us move, play, and think. If we do not eat, we will not have energy. 3. Fuels. There are fuels such as petroleum and diesel that gives energy to run vehicles like cars, buses, and trucks. And there are also fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas that come from deep within the earth. These fuels release energy that can be used to generate electricity for our homes, schools, and so on. 4. Wind and water. Moving air, which is wind, and moving water, like rivers, can be used to generate electricity. Wind turbines and hydroelectric dams help us capture this energy. A simple way to use wind energy is to fly a kite. The kite flies and stays up in the air using wind energy. How do we use energy? We use energy in lots of different ways every day. 1. Electricity. We use electricity to power our homes and schools. Electricity provides the power we use for lights, computers, refrigerators, and so on. 2. Transportation. Energy helps us get from place to place with cars, buses, and airplanes which use fuel to move us around. 3. Heating and cooling. Energy keeps us comfortable. In winter, we use energy to heat our homes, and in summer, we use energy to keep our homes cool. 4. Cooking. We use energy to cook our food. Stoves, ovens, and microwaves all need energy to work. Fun facts about energy. 1. Batteries. Batteries store energy that we can use later. They power things such as toys, flashlights, remote controls, and so on. 2. Renewable energy. Some energy sources like the sun and wind are renewable. This means we won't run out of them, and they are better for the environment. 3. Saving energy. We can save energy by turning off lights when we're not using them, using energy-efficient appliances, and walking or biking instead of driving. Now, let's test your knowledge. Let's see if you can answer the questions in the following activity. 1. Where do we get heat and light energy from? That's correct. It's from the sun. 2. Where do people get their energy for all their activities? That's correct. It comes from the food we eat. 3. From where do cars get their energy to run? That's correct. They get their energy from the fuel such as petroleum, diesel, and we now even have electric cars. 4. Where does the car radio get its energy from? The car radio runs on electric current and it gets its energy from the car battery. And last question, what energy do we need to fly a kite? Absolutely, we need wind energy to fly a kite. Remember, energy is all around us, and understanding it helps us use it wisely and take care of our planet.